Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Barista Touch and the De'Longhi Eletta Deluxe, huh? Both super-automatic espresso machines.
Yep, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Breville is readily available new, while the De'Longhi is listed as, quote, currently unavailable, and appears to be a renewed product. That's a big difference for some people.
Definitely. And price-wise, the Breville is around $800, give or take, and we don't have a new cost on the De'Longhi. Looks like it's also a bit bigger, right? The De'Longhi is 18.3 inches tall, while the Breville is 16 inches.
Good catch. And the De'Longhi is significantly heavier, at 30.6 pounds compared to the Breville's 21.8 pounds. So if counter space or weight is a concern, Breville might be better.
What about features? The Breville boasts a touchscreen display and can save up to 8 personalized coffees, which is pretty cool. It also heats up crazy fast, in just 3 seconds.
The De'Longhi highlights its latte crema system for milk frothing, which they say works even with non-dairy milks. Reviews say it makes consistently good coffee.
Right. The Breville also has an auto steam wand for milk texturing, and it includes a bunch of accessories like a stainless steel jug and cleaning kit. It has a conical burr grinder.
Both have integrated burr grinders, which is essential for fresh espresso. The De'Longhi emphasizes bean-to-cup freshness. And from what I see, both machines allow you to customize the coffee strength to your personal taste preferences.
I see the Breville has a slightly better rating, 4.4 stars with tons of reviews, versus 5 stars, but only 3 reviews for the De'Longhi. That larger sample size for the Breville gives a bit more confidence, I think.
True. And the Breville has a 2-year warranty, which is reassuring. I am unable to confirm a warranty with the De'Longhi.
So, bottom line? If you want readily available, a good warranty, and a touchscreen with personalized settings, the Breville Barista Touch is solid. But if you really prioritize that milk frothing system and don't mind buying renewed, the De'Longhi Eletta Deluxe might be worth considering if you can find one in stock.
Exactly. It really comes down to personal preference and what features matter most to you. And, of course, availability.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.